Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove wrinkles from your clothes using AI. It's super easy, super fast, and completely free. So let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through the browser or to the app like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're on the home page like this, just tap on Create Image, this one, to activate the Nano Banana feature, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the feature that will let you transform or edit any image just by typing a prompt. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to fix. You can choose a picture where your clothes look a bit wrinkled or messy or just not as smooth as you like. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And once the photo uploaded, now it's time to type your prompt. Just type your prompt as you like to edit your wrinkled clothes, or you can also just copy my example, my prompt like this. I will just type my prompt like this. This prompt will keep your photo natural while removing all wrinkles. Next, after you're done typing your prompt, just tap on generate. In just a few moments, your photo is instantly transformed. Just look at this. The wrinkles almost gone, even though it still has a little wrinkles, but I think now it's more clean or more neat. And then next, if you wanna make the results more better, you can tweak the prompt and then just regenerate the image. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can remove clothing wrinkles instantly using Google's new AI tool Nano Banana. If this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.